welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Oh my gosh, it is a Wednesday. It is around 6:15 a.m. I got up 5:30. I just exercised, which is good, and I have to go somewhere today. I have to go out and then get some stuff. I will be back this evening though. I'm going to apologize again. I still didn't get a chance to finish edit and upload the previous vlogs, but I have been working on it. I'm categorizing it. I've already started editing it, so just wait for that. Okay, just wait for that. I have schoolwork, of course. So what else do we have planned for the day? I actually have to go to the doctor to get something, and yeah. Alright, so let me tell you, it's 7:20 and almost to where I have to be. I just stopped and buy breakfast because I got up early this morning and then mommy didn't get time to cook. Yes, my mom still cooks for me, guys. You know, privileges. Yeah, I bought what I buy, sada roti and budi and okra, which is favorite, and then I got, for y'all who don't know, I love juice. Oh my gosh, now I have a fella stuck in my juice. Okay. Juice! And I got homemade orange juice. Like, I love homemade juice. It's just the best ever. And then I got a sandwich from Mish because I'm going by him. So that's about it. We're driving, of course. And yeah. Do you guys, let me know, do you all like when I vlog in the car? And this is safe because I have a tripod for the camera, I mean the phone, and I would literally stop before I like put on the, you know, thing, but then I'll just like touch it. So it is safe, okay? I am driving safe, guys, nothing to worry about. And yeah, leave comments below, let me know if it is you like the angles that I'm like vlogging at, if it is you think that the camera is too zoomed in, you know, or zoomed out, you know, things like that. Let me know. Because it really helps me to make my vlogging game better, and it helps me to give you what you want to see, which is even better for me. So again, and you know what, guys, I've realized since I've started vlogging, I've gotten so much more subscribers, and thank you so much. Honestly, like, I really appreciate it that you all take time out of your day, even if it's like 5 minutes, to watch my vlog, because a lot of you watch it. And to me, now I watch a lot of other people's vlogmas too. I love it, like Alicia Marie. There's another Trinidadian YouTuber called Curly Bell. There's Nikki, Remy. Oh my gosh, I love her vlogs too. It's just like, there's so many people that I watch, but the thing is, I don't always keep up every single day. I would watch, like, sometimes I would binge watch like 2 or 3 in one day, sometimes I would watch one another day, things like that. What else? Yeah, so yeah, I really appreciate that some of you are still able to like watch mine. Like, so many of you are able to watch mine on a daily basis per se. It's what I've been seeing so far, but it's okay to binge watch. That is totally fine, because I do that too because of time. I know we all don't always have time, but yeah, no, I just like look at myself. I really feel like I'm looking like a guy because my hair all slicked back. But yeah, let me come off now. This lighting is bad though. I hope you all don't mind. What I forgot to mention was that I actually have puppies in the back of the car, like on the ground in a box. I have 2 of them and I'm carrying them for someone, and I'm surprised that they aren't making noise, which is good, but I'm scared because they could be doing some kind of mischief in the car, because I have my bag in the car in the back there, you know, and they could probably be biting at it and I don't even know. But I'll show you the puppies when I get there. So these are the babies that are going to be given away. Come, babies, come! Bye, puppies. Bye, puppies.
Two puppies.
Bye, bye, puppies. Bye, bye. Come on, look at mommy. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hello, guys. Update. It is 5:25. I literally can't see anything because the sun in my eye, but I just know the camera is facing me. I'm with my baby, who's not paying attention to me because I told you all before that he hates the camera. He just doesn't like it at all. We went for a drive and I am feeling so tired like right now. I literally got like 5 hours sleep last night, which I didn't mention, and I'm feeling like real dotations right now. Like, I'm feeling like such a hot mess. But yeah, we'll see what we're going to do in a little bit. So we are seeing about animals now. For those of you all who don't know, we have goats and this one is a sheep. That was Kenji who just ran there. There's some sheeps. That's a goats. Hello guys. So it is like 7:25 in the night and we are having a movie night. We decided to feel a little surprising. We felt a little bit Christmassy and we have food, Chinese. We have a pooch. Pooch say hi. Pooch say hello. Yeah, and we're watching the Grinch right now and we have a little setup here. It's literally like the corner how we have blankets and stuff and then we have popcorn. This is our setup and we have popcorn behind the TV. But basically I will end this vlog right here. I will edit. I have been very slow and very slack on editing, but I will edit it and get it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
Just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
From the bottom of my heart, your pawn is a work of art. So just bring out it, pawn, no play like you're smart. How come